In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert the references from EndNote library into Microsoft Word document. In previous tutorials, we have learned how to create this library and import references from different sources through different methods. Now we will use these references and insert these references into Microsoft Word document. So if you see here you can use this option to select the journal style. If you click on down arrow, you can find different options. You can scroll down and find different journals style. If you still don't find journal style, you can go to select another style, and from here you can choose any style. For example, I want to choose journal of food process engineering. I will select this one, and here I will go to choose. Now you can see here journal of food process engineering is selected here. Now come to Word document. There are two methods to insert references in Microsoft Word document. Firstly, simply go to EndNote X9, and here you can go to insert citation, and here insert citation. You can search here from journal any references. For example, I want to search the references from 2020. I will click on find, and you can see here 4 references are present which are published in 2020. You can also see in the library that there are 4 articles which are published in 2020 which are present in this library. So if you want to insert these references here, firstly you will select the location of the references. For example, I want to select it here. I will go to insert citation and select that references and go to insert. You can see here the reference is inserted here, and it is according to Journal of Food Processing and Preservation style. If you want to insert another references here along with this reference, simply go to insert citation, and if I want this one, click insert. You can see here both references are present here, and these are also arranged alphabetically. Sorry, these are called in-text citation, and references are present at the end of document. You can see here these are both references, and these are also arranged alphabetically. If I insert another reference, then this will also arrange alphabetically automatically. That is the beauty of this EndNote. Now I will told you the method of other method. For example, if I want to insert here reference, go to EndNote. This is the second method. Select reference which you want to insert, and here you can go to insert citation, and your reference will be inserted in Microsoft Word. Now if you want to insert two references simultaneously, then select location, go to EndNote and select references by holding Control key. You can see here the two references are inserted here. And if you go to end of this document, you can see here these references are automatically arranged and there is no duplicate. Now if you want to choose another style, then it will automatically converted into that style within second. For example, I want to choose Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry. You can see here these references are changed within second, and now you can see here these are numbering system instead of author system. And if you go to end of document, you can see here these references are also arranged accordingly. So by using this option, you can change the style within seconds. Now I will change back to Journal of Food Processing and Preservation. I will found it here. Similarly, if I want to insert a reference here at the start of document, you can see in review paper that mostly the year is in bracket and author is without bracket. So how you can insert that reference? Select this one and go to insert. You can see here that reference is inserted here. Now I want that only bracket appeared in years. Select this reference, right click, go to edit citation, and here you find the option display as author year. You can see here our citations appeared according to our requirement. Year is in bracket and author are without bracket. Similarly, if you want to delete a reference, select this one, right click, go to edit citation, and in edit citation go to more option. I want to remove this citation. Here click on down arrow and remove citation. Click on OK and your citation is deleted now. So by this using this option you can format your reference according to your style. And if you still don't find style within this EndNote, you can also create your own style, and in next tutorial I will teach you how to create your own style. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.